Hello and welcome. This is called how to make a semi-side-up bagel sandwiches, or how to make semi-side-up bagel sandwiches. First thing you gotta do is spread the mayo. And after that, gotta do the other slice of the bagel. After that, spread once more. We're on the last slice of poppy seed bagel. And after that, put the egg on there, and the other egg onto here. Then after that, put the awesome. And now, this is how you make poppy seed bagel semi-side-up sandwiches. Enjoy, have fun, and have a great day. Bon appetit. Thank you for watching.